All right, guys, I just got back from Tennessee last night. I was riding the TKO site and everything was going great. I was kicking my own butt and exhausted, but I did go take it down a notch and start practicing in a little milder areas that towards the end of the day, I managed to smack the bike up and crumble this fairing. What happened is I was doing a descent and I caught the fairing on a sapling right here in this gap, and the sapling is probably about 1.5 inch wide tree, a little sapling tree. Just ripped the whole fairing off and crumbled it to pieces. So here's the quick fixes that you guys might use to help. I like Frankenstein and stuff back together. It's kind of fun. I've done a lot of plastic work in my day on different collectible motorcycles, mostly the imported stuff from Japan, the crotch rocket street bike stuff. A little bit different plastic. This is more like I think a polypropylene. And I used to work in the plastic industry. That's how I lost my finger. So anyway, finger. See, I have 4. Anyway, I know plastics a little bit, but don't remember much of it. It was a long time ago. Anyway, what I did was I used what I call tentative glue, get it back together quickly and pretty so that you can then reinforce it. I found this glue on the road. I'll put a link down below to it as well. And it's actually been working pretty good for a quick plastic glue. It works pretty quickly. So as you can see, I cracked that completely in half all around this thing, and that's back together now. A chunk of this fell off, a diagonal chunk, and you can see the hairline crack there maybe. That's back together. A piece of this broke off where the bolt hole was. This entire bucket was stuck to the bike and ripped off. And so that's it. I got her back together tentatively. Now I'll come back in and reinforce it. Now, when you're doing the tentative gluing, I find that using packing tape is nice. So this is clear packing tape. And I use that as my temporary butterfly Band-Aid, we'll call it, to hold this glued parts together. You can see it's not perfect, but who cares? It's a hard enduro bike. It's going to bust again every other ride practically. So I will come back in with a heavier epoxy, like a 2-part epoxy. This one's the quick version. I have some other ones. I'll put links down below to those. You guys might know the super glue trick with adding baking soda or baking powder. Baking soda, yeah. But what I'll do is this crack goes all the way through here and around this bucket, this screw hole. And what I'll do is I'll throw this epoxy in there, and then I'll scab in thin reinforcement plastic. I'll cut off tabs of this. So I'll have heavy glue going back here. I'll put some plastic strips across it to reinforce it. Same here. I'll build this up with epoxy and put some plastic. And you can always grab your recyclables. Like I got some plastic yogurt containers or a lid or something. Like you can cut chunks of this off. Here's a nice lid. If this was white, I would use that so I could hide it. But you know what I mean? Get your plastics and just, I'll put epoxy in here and put a lid there and have drill a new screw hole. Here, I'll just wad the epoxy around that to reinforce it. And then here, I'm gonna do another plastic strip. So this will be back together in no time, which this glue set it up real quick. So the tentative gluing was done. I got my decal I just set here temporarily inside the cabinet door. I'll reapply that. You'll never know anything happened to the bike from 6 feet away. And I will not have spent over $100 because I think to get a set of these is like $80 without tax and shipping. And then you got to get decals if you want to get into that. So you save yourself $100 and it's going to get smashed up anyway. So what's the difference, right? Well, I hope that helps you guys save some money. Again, I'll put some links down to the glues. And I do love a 3M 5200 as well. So I'll put a link to that. I use a lot of that as well. And hope that helps you guys. Get her back together inexpensively and ride again as quickly as possible. Hope that helps again. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. Links down below. Take care.